Alright guys, here we have this Crossfire C7 3K sent to me to try out by the amplab.net. Check out Troy and Ethan. They can repair your amplifier. They can sell you one they've repaired. They do a fantastic job. They give a 90-day warranty, all that good stuff. Check them out. But yeah, they told me this Crossfire 3K is impressive. And when they say something's impressive, my ears open up. I listen.
Yeah, you know it's true. You big dummy.
My name is Derek and I do YouTube videos about audio equipment. Videos about audio. I know it doesn't make sense, but if you guys enjoy that type of stuff, you might enjoy subscribing to my channel and I'd appreciate it. So stick around for the cool content and don't be surprised if you see a big dummy. Not too long ago, I did some tests of some 3,000 to 3,500 watt Korean amps from Orion, Sundown, DC Audio, Crescendo, Scar Audio, and a couple of extra ones. Well, the Orion actually killed that test. You can see 4,825 watts certified here. It just beat them all. But anyway, I had my buddies at the Amp Lab contact me and say, we've got this Crossfire that we want you to try out. The model is the C7 3K. Well, I've tested Crossfire in the past. I've tested the old school high current amps, and they always did really well, but I haven't tried one recently. So I looked up on their website, the C7 series, and I didn't see anything related to a 3K. They have a 4K and they have a 2K, but no 3K. So I said, what's up with that? I asked some of the dealers, and they said, yes, it's true. They changed the model number of the 3K to the 4K. It's essentially the same amplifier. Unfortunately, the website did not note this, and I didn't find this out until I was almost finished with this video. But if you are watching this, just know that the tests I'm showing are relevant to the 3K and the 4K model of the C7 series. So here's the amp. The Crossfire amp looks pretty nice, kind of a standard Korean design. We'll start off here on the side with the RCA inputs. You can see inputs and outputs, Tiffany style, protect and power LEDs, gain, adjustable subsonic, adjustable bass boost, remote bass level connection. Then we have a low pass filter, a variable phase, and a master and slave for linking multiples of these amplifiers together. These seem to be produced by SNI out of Korea. Now on the opposite end, we've got dual 1-aught inputs, and we also have dual 8-gauge speaker outputs. This is a monoblock amp, so people ask a lot of times, well, if I hook up only one of these, is it going to be as loud? Well, yes, those connections for the speaker terminals are wired up in parallel. So the length of the amp, 22.5 or 570 millimeters by 9.5 inches or 240 millimeters. And the thickness is about 2.5 inches or 63 millimeters. At the time this video was made, this is a dealer exclusive item on approximately $800, so don't look for it online.
Thanks, Big D. This is Dick Ridiculous.
As always, make sure you stick around to the end of the video after the amp dyno test, and we will show you the insides of this bad boy. Now we've got the amp all wired up, so let's fire up the amp dyno. All the tests here are RMS power, so no peak here, my friends. Let's start off with a 2 ohm certified run, 40 hertz, up to 1% THD. Yes, my friends, 3,266 watts right at 14 volts. So we got more than 3K at 2 ohms. Now that's impressive. The efficiency was about 78%, which is very good. And yeah, that was a great run at 2 ohms. Let's try 1 ohm certified 1% THD at 40 hertz. It's rated 4,000 watts according to the new ratings. And we got that easily, 4647 at 13.35.
Damn, shit bump.
Ice Cube approved. He said, go get me some cold iced tea so I can chill out. 63% efficient, certified 1 ohm. Again, the clamp numbers there are ×2. So let's try it uncertified up to clipping 40 hertz, 1 ohm. We kicked it here over 5,047 watts at 13 volts. That's what I'm talking about, my friends. Now let's go dynamic. Kicking drums, kicking bass, pulse track. Simulating subwoofers, 6,217 watts at 14.16 volts.
21 gigawatts!
All right, let's take off that bottom cover here and check out this Crossfire C7 3K. See what it's all about. So these guys at the Amp Lab should know better than to send me an amp that's got these little things on them, because you know that we can be looking inside this joker, because I think they got it turbocharged or something, because this amp is just killer. But yeah, Ethan and Troy, sorry brothers, but I'm going to open it up so that we can all see what's inside. All right, here's the Crossfire C7 3K we got from the Amp Lab to do a test, try it out. Ethan was like, yeah, this thing right here kicks some butt. I said, well, send it to me, let's see. These guys do really clean work here. I don't see any indication of what they did. That's a good thing. That means they're professionals, they know what they're doing. But yeah, this is a beast. Look at all those filter caps. 160 volt, 680 microfarads. We got here 160 volt, 680 microfarads there. This is beastly. Crossfire. It was signed by somebody. Make sure you check out my new 12 Volt Talk podcast with Hi-Fi Vega, youtube.com/12vtalk. We're also on all the podcasting applications if you want to listen to audio versions. Recently, we interview people like Ed Lester from Spartan Innovations and Bernie Bolin from Bolin Audio. These are lots of fun, lots of great information. You guys need to join us. Check those out. All right, let's check out the results of the Crossfire C7 3K or C7 4K, both the same amp. You can see at every ohm load, it killed it. Almost 2,000 watts at 4 ohm certified, 3266 2 ohm certified, 4647 at 1 ohm certified. Just an absolute beast of an amplifier. Although the Orion HCCA 3K still comes out on top power-wise, you know, at least this Crossfire gave it a closer run for its money than anything else we tested. So, hope you guys appreciate this video. Make sure you smash that like button, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below about what you guys think about these amps that are rated 3K and do almost 5K. What do you think about that? I have my own ideas, but yeah, that's just me. Love to hear what you guys have to say. Also, check me out on patreon.com/oldschoolstereo. You can help support me with as little as $1 per month. That way I can bring more content to you guys. You also get behind the scenes extra footage, all that good stuff, and maybe I could do this full time one day. Till next time, BD Wiz, I'm out of here. So I know a lot of you have heard about the OSS meet in Scurry, Texas. I'm actually working on the video, but unfortunately, the Savard excursion killed my microphone. Here is the reason why it killed my microphone, but the video is coming. Make sure you go back and check my videos. I've got over 500 videos here on YouTube, many of them car audio related. As always, thanks for watching my videos, for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing with your friends, share with your grandma, share with everybody. BD Wiz signing out.